All right, so here's the plan. I'm going to effectively drill and tap a screw hole so that I can get the carbide tip into this bad boy. And I've already tried to make an attempt and filmed it and failed and frustratedly expletive everywhere. I expletived everywhere. So this is my first attempt on the one side. And then I promptly made it handle ? Because the tap got broken. All up in there. Second attempt was on the other side. And unfortunately, so I'm cutting it off, right? But I had the hole drilled. And then I was like, you know what, since it broke the other time, I'm gonna try to go the next bit up just to give it a little more breathing room, but then the bit broke off in here. So third attempt is gonna be on the other side, and let's see if we can figure it out. 3 times the charm, right? 3 times the charm? Third time's the charm. Third time's the charm. Yes. Yes. Oh, I did it finally. Oh, that's so satisfying. Just to reiterate, this is attempt number 3. I've broken 2 of these taps and 1 of the associated drill bits. You don't know how frustrating it is to have to do this 3 times. But this, it's like beating a hard boss in, like, you know, Dark Souls or whatever. You're like, yes, why do you play video games if you just get so angry? And it's like, because it's so satisfying when you win.
Injection, fellas.